Sarah Dean with the Team Tim McKinney Realtor Reporter. Tim's on location with Mitch Panchuk. Over to you, Tim.
Okay, thanks, Sarah Dean. We're here on site with Mitch Panchuk. What's happening on this site?
Well, this is the end of College Street East in our industrial park. The city recently sold 110 acres to a company that is building a 1 million square foot warehousing and distribution center. This project is already on the books for about $135 million. Hundreds of jobs, millions of dollars to the city every year in property taxes. It's been great news for us all.
This is awesome. Can't be any better. It's going to be good for the whole community.
Yeah, well, again, it's a sign of confidence in our city, in our community, in the direction that we're going in. These big investments mean a lot to us, and we're lucky to have them. They're going to be great for employment. They're going to help our city grow in a safe, responsible way, and it's giving lots of work for our local contractors. Here we have Fitzgibbon in the background that are doing a lot of the site clearing, getting ready so that they can actually build the foundation and build the building.
Right, and not to mention big tax revenue.
Yeah, we're expecting about $3 million a year in annual tax revenue. Because it is a more of a warehouse facility also, it won't take quite as long. You know, you're basically looking at making sure you have a roof and walls and then the racking system. So it does move quickly when they get going, yeah. But we're very, very excited about this. Great news and great investment in our city.
Yeah, excellent. Well, thanks very much for joining us.